Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am here to show you guys the Osburn Everest Zero Clearance Wood Fireplace. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this zero clearance cabinet. So this packaging, this cabinet around the firebox is actually what is going to allow you to literally frame this right into the wall with combustible materials. So of course, always check the owner's manual for your actual framing dimensions as well as any standoffs. Osburn fireplaces are pretty cool because they have a variety of options. They do have knockout plates located at the top of the fireplace in which you could add like a gravity kit, which will allow the heat off the fireplace to naturally rise up and into another room. They also have forced air heating kits as well, which would actually allow you to heat another bedroom or basement or some other area of the house up to 50 foot away from the location of the fireplace. Now the Everest is one of the newer models. I believe it came out in 2020. It is EPA 2020 approved, but unfortunately it does not qualify for the tax credit. I really like this unit. It's got, even though it's like a pretty small size, it still has the nice double doors. When you open up the firebox doors, you do have nice fully lined gasketing on the doors and also around the glass as well. What's also pretty cool is these doors will literally just push and slide back in. Now I do believe that this model still has a fire screen option available. So if you added in that fire screen and you wanted to burn the unit with the doors open, then you can just slide these back, which is super convenient. You have a pretty nice depth on the firebox. This unit will probably burn maybe 8 to 10 hours, depending on your actual application. I do believe that you could also do nickel louvers or nickels on the front door as well. You do just have one single damper control located on this unit, which will be located here on the bottom. So I believe that this smaller 1,500, maybe up to 2,000 square feet, depending on how well insulated the home is. Because it has the high efficiency, you have the reburn tubes and the baffle system located at the top. This model does come standard with a convection room blower, which means the heat from the fireplace will actually come out the top and the bottom louver. So I really hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. If you guys like my videos, give them a thumbs up, click subscribe in the corner of the channel. Thank you for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.